Ready? Start. Honorable Speaker, Sir, working with the states, our government will facilitate development of cities as growth hubs. Full stop. This will be achieved through economic and transit planning and orderly development of semi-urban areas utilizing town planning schemes. Full stop. For creative brownfield redevelopment of existing cities with a transformative impact, our government will formulate a framework for enabling policies, market-based mechanisms and regulation. Full stop. Transit oriented development plans for 14 large cities with a population above 30 lakh will be formulated along with an implementation and financing strategy. Full stop. Under the PM Awas Yojana Urban 2.0 housing needs of 1 crore urban poor and middle class families will be addressed with an investment of rupees 10 lakh crore. Full stop. This will include the central assistance of rupees 2.2 lakh crore in the next 5 years. Full stop. A provision of interest subsidy to facilitate loans at affordable rates is also envisaged. Full stop. In addition, enabling policies and regulations for efficient and transparent rental housing markets with enhanced availability will also be put in place. Full stop. In partnership with the state governments and multilateral development banks, we will promote water supply, sewage treatment and solid waste management projects. Full stop. And services for 100 large cities through bankable projects. Full stop. These projects will also envisage use of treated water for irrigation and filling up of tanks in nearby areas. Full stop. Para building on the success of PM Swanidhi scheme in transforming the lives of street vendors, our government envisions a scheme to support each year over the next 5 years the development of 100 weekly haats or street food hubs in select cities. Full stop. We will encourage states which continue to charge high stamp duty to moderate the rates for all and consider further lowering duties for properties purchased by women. Full stop. This reform will be made an essential component of urban development schemes. Full stop. In the interim budget, I had announced our strategy to sustain high and more resource efficient economic growth along with energy security in terms of availability, accessibility and affordability. Full stop. We will bring out a policy document on appropriate energy transition pathways that balances the essentials of employment, growth and environmental sustainability. Full stop. In line with the announcement in the interim budget, PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana has been launched to install rooftop solar plants to enable 1 crore households obtain free electricity up to 300 units every month. Full stop. The scheme has generated remarkable response. Full stop. Para a policy for promoting pumped storage projects will be brought out for electricity storage and facilitating smooth integration of the growing share of renewable energy with its variable and intermittent nature in the overall energy mix. Full stop. Nuclear energy is expected to form a very significant part of the energy mix for Vikshit Bharat. Full stop. Towards that pursuit, our government will partner with the private sector for one setting up Bharat Small Reactors, 2 research and development of Bharat Small Modular Reactor, and 3 research and development of newer technologies for nuclear energy. Full stop. The R&D funding announced in the interim budget will be made available for this sector. Full stop. The development of indigenous technology for advanced ultra supercritical thermal power plants with much higher efficiency has been completed. Full stop. A joint venture between NTPC and BHEL will set up a full-scale 800 MW commercial plant using new technology. Full stop. The government will provide the required fiscal support. Full stop. Moving forward, development of indigenous capacity to produce high-grade steel and other advanced materials for these plants will result in strong spin-off benefits for the economy. Full stop. A roadmap for moving the hard to abate industries from energy efficiency targets to emission targets will be formulated. Full stop. Appropriate regulations for transition of these industries from the current perform, achieve and trade mode to Indian carbon market mode will be put in place. Full stop. Para. An investment grade energy audit of traditional micro and small industries in 60 clusters including brass and ceramic will be facilitated. Full stop. Financial support will be provided for shifting them to cleaner forms of energy and implementation of energy efficiency measures. Full stop. The scheme will be replicated in another 100 clusters in the next phase. Full stop. Significant investment the central government has made over the years in building and improving infrastructure has had a strong multiplier effect on the economy. Full stop. We will endeavor to maintain strong fiscal support for infrastructure over the next 5 years in conjunction with imperatives of other priorities and fiscal consolidation. Full stop. This year I have provided rupees 11 lakh crore for capital expenditure. Full stop. This would be 3.4% of our GDP. Full stop. We will encourage states to provide support of similar scale for infrastructure subject to their development priorities. Full stop. A provision of rupees 1.5 lakh crore for long-term interest-free loans has been made this year also to support the states in their resource allocation. Full stop. Investment in infrastructure by private sector will be promoted through viability gap funding and enabling policies and regulations. Full stop. A market-based financing framework will be brought out in the next financial year. Full stop. Overall.